What's up, everybody? It's Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video, and here we have a special one-of-a-kind custom painted sunflower on fire helmet. She's from Ohio, I believe. She reached out to me, did not know what she wanted. She loves sunflowers. I suggested making them on fire, of course, and adding candy paint. That's what it looks like right there. I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like in direct sunlight with the metal flake. I mean, it really pops. It's truly one of a kind. I have not seen another helmet like it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you love art, if you love cool stuff, just generally speaking, hit the subscribe button. Even if you don't like me at all, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section. Leave a question in the comment section. What else? You know the drill. You know the routine. You've been on YouTube long enough. Here it is finished up. Colors really popped. I'm happy. She was happy. We're all happy. High fives across the board. It's getting late. I'm out.